want to customize the image that is shared when you are putting your events on social media or in texts, then you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to show you how you can customize your social media image, sometimes referred to as a social card. So let's get started. I am here on my event details page where you find all of the details of your event and the sharing methods, but we want to start by either updating or creating a design template. So if we're talking about an event, we are going to be updating an event landing page design. So I am going to continue to customize a design that I already have called branding, but you can create a new design if you haven't created one yet. So I'm clicking into my design. And you'll see there are quite a few things that we can customize, one of those being the logo that would appear above your event image if you set one, the favicon, which is this image on the tabs in your search engines, but we're going to do the social media image. So all you need to do is click on this default image and select an image or upload an image to your file manager. I will go with these lovely roses. And then you can either save design or create the design if it is a new one. And now this design template is saved. So let's go back to our dashboard and find the event that we want to apply this design to. So whether you're clicking from the list view or the calendar view, you can click on the event and then click in the title to get to the event details and sharing methods. And then we will apply the design template in the landing page sharing method. So we just edited branding, so we will apply that. And now when I go to copy my landing page link to share on social media or in a text, then we will see that this image is now going to display as the lovely roses that we just applied moments ago. And there you have it. The social card, the social media image has been updated. So it is as simple as that, adding the image to your design template and then applying that design template to your event. This can also be done with calendars. So your calendar landing page can have the social media image changed as well. But this is for events. So I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions. We are more than happy to assist. Just reach out to support@AddEvent.com or check out the Help Center and hopefully you'll find what you're looking for there. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.